Hey everyone, and welcome back. Is your support inbox getting chaotic? In this video, I'll show you how to organize tickets in Freshdesk's free plan using categories, groups, and tags. First, let's talk categories. These are high-level buckets like billing, technical, or feature request. When an agent picks a category, it helps route the ticket to the right person. You can set these up in your admin settings. Next, groups. These are teams of agents. Create groups like Tier 1 Support, Billing Team, or Developers. When a ticket comes in, you can assign it to a whole group instead of one person, so anyone in that team can pick it up. Now, the most flexible tool, tags. Tags are keywords you add to any ticket, like bug, urgent, or VIP customer. You can add multiple tags to a single ticket. Later, you can filter and search for all tickets with a specific tag to spot trends. To use them, when you're viewing or replying to a ticket, look for the fields to set the category, assign it to a group, and add tags. Using these three tools together creates a system where every ticket is categorized, assigned, and labeled for easy management and reporting. And that's it. With categories, groups, and tags, you can transform a messy inbox into an organized support operation. If you organize your tickets this way, let me know your most useful tag in the comments. See you in the next one.